Well, today is a shit show. So, came here, the fuse on the disconnect was cooked. Let me see if I can even find it. Anyway, yeah, it was completely cooked. The fuse was completely cooked. So what I did, because I couldn't access my truck, it's locked, I left the keys inside. So what I did, I took a piece of this pipe here, cut it good, cut a nice piece about this big, cleaned it good. This is where I adjusted it. I cleaned it good with some of the tools that I have because the truck is inaccessible. Cleaned it good with my knife, my brush. It was aluminum pipe, so it was good. So yeah, we're good. Let me show you the result here. See that? Yeah, the cooling is back. I changed the capacitor as well. And yeah, right. Tomorrow we'll be back with a proper fuse. Not brothers.